Section 25A. This section of the law relates to the establishment and organization of a Directorate of Prosecution by the state government. It states that the state government may establish a directorate consisting of a director of prosecution and as many deputy directors of prosecution as it deems necessary. Eligibility for the position of director or deputy director of prosecution is outlined in subsection 2, which states that a person must have been in practice as an advocate for at least 10 years and that the appointment must be made with the concurrence of the Chief Justice of the High Court. Subsection 3 states that the head of the Directorate of Prosecution shall be the Director of Prosecution, who will function under the administrative control of the head of the Home Department in the state. Subsection 4 states that every Deputy Director of Prosecution shall be subordinate to the Director of Prosecution. Subsections 5 and 6 outline the hierarchy within the Directorate of Prosecution, stating that public prosecutors, additional public prosecutors, and special public prosecutors appointed by the state government to conduct cases in the High Court shall be subordinate to the Director of Prosecution, and that public prosecutors, additional public prosecutors, special public prosecutors, and assistant public prosecutors appointed to conduct cases in district courts shall be subordinate to the Deputy Director of Prosecution. Subsection 7 states that the state government may, through a notification, specify the powers and functions of the Director of Prosecution and the Deputy Directors of Prosecution, as well as the areas for which each Deputy Director has been appointed. Subsection 8 states that the provisions of this section do not apply to the Advocate General for the state while performing the functions of a public prosecutor. In summary, this section of the law lays out the guidelines and rules for the establishment and organization of a Directorate of Prosecution by the state government, and the eligibility, roles, responsibilities, and hierarchy of the officials within the Directorate.